This for me, with all of this for you to tell me about sugar daddy site and Ray. If me ever come home one day and tell us say and tell us say me have a next woman, oh you da go on, oh you da feel over it. No, if me ever come home.
Shh, for one second. I already went on a date this morning. Babe, Hey guys, Jen coming back with another prank for y'all. So my husband worked from 7 to 3 today. He should be home at any minute now. So I'm gonna put the camera, I'm gonna hide it, and I'm gonna tell him that I went online and went on sugardaddy.com. And then I went on a date this morning. I don't know how it's gonna go yet. I'm just gonna play it by ear, see how it goes, but just sitting here resting like I always am, trying to get this knee better. But anyway, hope it works out. Stay tuned. I should have put it closer up. It's a little far away, I think. Guys, I can't fix it now. He's gonna be here any minute. Hey, babe. How's your day?
Whole day today my belly a cut me.
Oh, really?
I'm drinking coffee and some shit.
Aww.
What is?
Just, you know. Now, one of my new gadgets I bought to try to help my knee. I was just looking at all these things that I bought. The grounding blanket, the Rejuvenate, the brace, the herbal patches. Now this is costing so much money. So I went online. Do you trust me?
What do you mean?
Do you trust me? Like, do you trust my judgment? And like, you know I would never do nothing to hurt you, right? Yes or no?
Where all of this are come from all of us, so I don't understand.
Just answer the question. Do you trust me?
In other case, I don't know what to say. Somewhat.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. So, I've been off work some time now, and we're trying to save for a house. We started our YouTube channel, but I just went online and I found this site called sugardaddy.com. Just hear me out. Hear me out. There's these rich guys online, and they will pay money for women to go on dates with them. But it would be strictly platonic. I would tell them right straight up, I'm not doing anything. We'll just chat, go out for dinner, maybe give them a hug or something. They pay $500, baby.
What do you mean you want to go on a date with man? I want to pay, when me I do not good enough.
I said, do you trust me?
What I am doing is not good
for
enough.
Money. It's for money, babe. I would never do.
What do you mean by?
Babe, I would never do anything to hurt a relationship.
What do you mean?
It's just to get some extra money.
Don't ramp with me now.
Lots of women do it. It's called sugardaddy.com.
No,
They're millionaires.
We are able to come off a site. Come you know we are up on a site. If you tell us somebody on a dating site or no sugar daddy site, I'm going to go work hard every day to ensure say you're good.
I know, but I just feel useless home. I'm spending all this money on all these knee products. My knee's all screwed up. I can't work.
Your knee go good, I tell you just come and fight and rest. You been a work all your life, wow. You get a chance to for rest, your foot rest. I go out every day and work to ensure say you're good, be what you mean by.
Babe, it's just to go out for dinner.
What do you know hear me say? I'm not bring you out for dinner. How much time
It's not the point. They're gonna pay me $500.
So are we have to sell? We have to sell what me I don't know it's not good enough. What I am doing is not good enough.
So you don't trust me?
What you say in that case, sir? What you left me for do?
But I'm being honest and I'm telling you about it.
Yo, stop.
They're called sugar daddies for a reason, baby.
Yo.
They just pay you money. That's it. That's it. I just want to help.
No,
I want to help contribute to all these things I'm buying. And we gotta save for a house. And I'm just
me will buy any of them something where you want. You don't have to worry yourself. I will buy it. Anything where you want, you just tell me buy. What all of this for me? What all of this for you tell me about sugar daddy site and Ray? If me ever come home one day and tell you say until I say me have a next woman, oh you da gone, oh you da feel over it. No, if me ever come home.
Shh, one second. I already went on a date this morning. Babe, I'm not. It's a prank. It's a prank. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, that didn't go down so well. He wasn't too happy about that one, babe.
No, you can't come in here. Babe, I use the bathroom. Ease yourself, come on. Hold on, I use the bathroom. Babe, taste some belly, I cook me from morning. Belly, I hurt me. From drink the coffee.
Okay.
Easy, man, you can't come here. Easy.
I'm not trying to come here, but I just wanted to say sorry.
Easy, man.
Well, guys, you know me, prankster Jen. I think I've got a few more up my sleeve, too. And the thing is, he always comes home with me saying something to him, so you never know when it's a prank or not. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back on here and just make sure you guys all know this was just a prank. He would never hurt me. I would never cheat on him. I would never go on a dating site. I don't even know if there's such thing as sugardaddy.com. It literally just popped in my head right at the last minute because I was actually going to do a different prank on him, and then I don't know, at the last minute I decided to do that one. But anyway, we are a Christian couple. We love the Lord with all of our heart. He's the center of our lives. We pray morning and night. So all of this is just for fun. Please do not take any of it seriously. It's not who we are. You know, we like to have fun, and we're just bringing you guys some entertainment. And yeah, we just hope that you will continue to follow us on this journey. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, God bless you all. Thanks, everyone.
I may say Ireland boss, I may represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I may tell you no, I may send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?